Maybe. It's a little dark in here, but... There's your hiccup!
Again. There you go.
Hiccup again.
Oh, you're okay. I'll walk you for
Do another good one. There you go.
Oh, her head is bopping around.
You've been alive for 6 hours and you have hiccups already? That's a bummer.
She's going right for her hand. She loves her hand. Are you still filming her?
Yeah.
Oh.
Baby, open your eyes. Oh. Hiccup. Oh. Oh, not fun.
Oh. We had a big day today. A big day. Oh. It's after her first big breastfeeding. She's got the hiccups already.
Okay, baby, we can stop.